Hello and welcome to a quick tour of the new print ePS premises. Come on, let's have a look. We're going to start in the space room here, where we can decide on where we're going next. Moving on now to the canteen. Now this wall was actually hand painted by a local artist. Here's a canteen with a team can eat and drink, and of course have those all important water cooler conversations. We're now into the boardroom where all those big decisions are made. This room is secret. I can't tell you what goes on in there. Come on, keep up. And we're now into the main office space where we actually all hot desk. These are some small breakout rooms where we can have quick calls and chats. What a view of our green and pleasant land. Finally, to Tharstern TV studios. What a place to work.